In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change username on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app and then hit at your profile picture or Bitmoji at the top left. Then hit at gear icon to open up settings, and on settings towards the top of the screen you can easily find username. You can just tap on it, and that's where you can easily find that change username option. You can just tap on it, and now it says that your username can only be changed once a year. Even if you switch username, no one else will be able to claim your old username. To continue, hit at that button, and then you will be able to edit your current username. You can remove the entire username and then put in here new one, or you can just add some symbols, and then it will show you if it is already taken or not. If you see that green check mark next to your username, that means that this username is free, and all you have to do in order to change your username now is just hit at next. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.